We have studied all the topics on numeration. Now we will do exercise 1B, 1C and 1D. It is exercise 1B. The question is the largest number of 6 digits. There are 6 digits in that number, but we have to write largest number. It is 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, comma, and then comma. It is 9,99,999. It is read as, we can read it 9 lakh 99,999,900 99. It can be shown on the abacus as it means in every O, T, H, TH and THL there are 9 beats in all the columns. 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Question number 2. Write the number shown on the abacus. Both the figure and words. Now I am writing in figure and you try to write in words. It means 3 lakh 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, comma, here is 1, 51,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 70, 7, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3,51,728. Here is 2, 0, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 0. It means 2,03,080. Read and write the following number in words. I will do here 1 or 2 questions and rest of the questions you try at your own. Here is 4 lakh 59,723. 23. And D 5 lakh, here is 0, it means 5 lakh 124. Rest of the question you try to do yourself. Question number 4. Write in numerals by putting commas at proper places. 2 lakh. 2 lakh means 2 के बाद we will put a comma. 2 lakh 79,000. 79 and then comma. 617. 617. We always put a comma after 100 and then 10,000. 7 lakh 7 comma 8,000. 7,08,000 means 08,019 means 019. 9,08 9 comma 0,0,008. 2,04,05 2 lakh comma 400 405 05. 5,16 5 comma 0,0,015. Sorry, 16. It is 16. Exercise 1C. Find the place value of digit 7 in the following numbers. One has been done for you. It is now we have to find place value. Place value find करना है. So 7 is 7 here. 7 is at the position of 100. So 700. Here is the 10,000 position. So 70,000 is 7,000. 70. Here 7 lakh. Write the place value of the digits. One has been done for you. It is done for us, and we have to do this question. Now this is 9. It is 2 on the tens place. It means it is 20. It is 5 at 100. 500. 6,000 and 30,000. And now these two questions you should do yourself. Try to do yourself, or if you find any problem, and then write to me on my YouTube channel. Question number 3. Which digit is at the 10,000 place in each of the following? 10,000 place. It is ones 100, 1 tens 100, 1,000 10,000. It is 8. It is 5. And it is 3. Which place value does 3? Show each number. Match the correct option. One has been done for you. It means we have to focus only the digit 3 in each number, and we have to match to the corresponding number. Here is 3 at the 100. Where is the 100? It is here. 3 at 1,000 means this is here. 3 at lakh, it will match to here. Here 3 at tens, 3 at ones. Okay. Question number 5. Write the number in compact form. Now we have to write the number in compact form. Now look at the first number. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means first number of this is the corresponding numbers. It means 3, 8, 4, 3, 7. We can do this question in other way. In as class 2 and class 1, 30,000 and 8,000 and 400 and 30 and 7. Add all these. It means 7, 3, 4, 8, 3. So we have to remember which number is on which place. It is at ones place. It is at tens place. It is at 100 place. So it is at ones place, 10th place, 100 place, 1,000 place, or 10,000 place. So now we can write all these numbers in compact form. 63,914, 90,001, 40,275, 5,79,623, 9,10,7 17,638. Do practice. Write the following numbers in expanded form. One has been done for you, and now I will do only one question. Rest of the question you should try to do yourself. I will do this. 80,000 plus it is 0 means 0 plus 0 plus 20 plus 0. You can do all these questions yourself. If you find any problem, write to me on my channel. Exercise 1D. Compare the number, put the symbol greater, equal and lesser in the given boxes. It is very easy. 1000 place is the same. It is 400, it is 900. It means this. 16, 200, 16, same, 2, both are same. It is 8, it is big. Then this. 23, this. 5 lakh, 6 lakh, this is greater. 7, 8, this is. 91,000, 91,000. 101, 111, it is big. This is bigger. 81,709, 81,708, it is greater. 6,000, 6 lakh 28,000, 6 lakhs 29,000, it is 29, it is 28. So this is greater than this. Tell the number of the following set. Our numbers are arranged in the descending or ascending order. Writing A or D. A for ascending, D for descending. It is 2,600, 26,000, 30, 80. It means they are increasing. Number are in increasing order. So it is ascending. Here 87, 85, 78. It is decreasing now number. Decreasing. 317, 387. It is all these number are increasing. So ascending order. It is decreasing. So D. Take the greatest number in each of the following set of the numbers. Now we have to find the greatest number only. It is 26, 24, 37, 39. 39,000. It means this number is greater. 70,000, 55,000, 86,000, 41,000. 86,000 is bigger, so it is a greater number. Take the least number. Now take the least number. So least number 67,000, 60, 48, 48. The lesser number is 48. So this is the least number. This is 24, 72, 24, 31, 49, 24 number. Copy and rearrange the following number. You can do this question with yourself. Copy and rearrange the following number in descending order. Put the smaller number at start or the descending. Put the highest number in starting, one number. It means in this 12, 18, 10, 20, 30. It is the first number, 30, and then this is the second number, this is the third number, this is the 4th number, this is the 5th number, this is the 6th number. You can arrange this question yourself. Write the successor of each of the following. Successor means plus 1. If we plus 1 to a number, then it will provide us the successor number. It means 12,817. The successor number is 12,818. 23,881 plus 89 plus 1, 90. 30,030. All these numbers are successor number. Predecessors, if we subtract number 1, if we subtract one number from a number, then we will get predecessor. 23,007, 23,006, 48,180, 50,000 minus 1, it means 49,999. It is an important question. It may come in examination. Try to practice all these questions. Do all these questions in your book, in your copy, and do practice. Read your book, each and every line. Do practice. Read each and every line of your book of this chapter. Enumeration, it is very important for all the chapters. If you are strong in this chapter, then you can do all the exercises, all the chapters very efficiently. Thank you.